Is your Ford F-150 key fob not working, or do you suspect a dead battery? You're not alone. Key fob batteries typically last 3 to 5 years, but heavy use or cold weather can shorten that. This video will guide you through a battery replacement, focusing on the most common F-150 key fobs, 2015-2025 models that use a CR2032 battery. First, confirm the battery is the issue by checking if proximity start and remote functions are erratic or non-responsive. A new CR2032 battery costs just a few dollars, saving you a potentially expensive trip to the dealer. To open the case, use a plastic pry tool to gently separate the fob halves at the seam. Avoid metal tools to prevent damage. Some fobs have internal clips, so apply even pressure. Remove the old battery and note its polarity, which is usually marked on the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct orientation with the positive side up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the halves back together securely. Test the functions by trying to lock and unlock your F-150. If the remote still doesn't work, resync it by pressing the lock button 3 times while near the vehicle. If problems persist after these steps, consult a Ford dealer, as module reprogramming might be required. Remember to work in a static-free environment to avoid damaging the electronics.